If is model showing is true, so we should make an if statement. So this is where we input the is model showing to check if it is true. Then you will need to show the rules and update the rules button text. Start by adding an if, we just did, and then inside the if statement, update the text content for the rules button. And the rules button is an element in the HTML, but the rules button has just been declared as a variable in our JavaScript so that we will be able to manipulate that in the HTML document. So we have to interpolate a method, a property called text content, and then assign to the string hide rules. And then below that is that we would have to update the property, the rules container, and the rules container is also an element. And then we would assign the string value of block. So first we would have to change the display, and we have to access the CSS with the style and then change its display with the property display and then assign it to block, which is essentially making it the element visible. Oops, what did I do wrong? Rules container dot style dot display should be this. And as for the text content, I think it is accessing the element to modify the content of that element. And that would be it. Nice.